Hi everybody, it's Amy. They put in these cute glasses since the last time we were here. They're absolutely adorable. And then I found these keychains. They didn't have these the last time we were here. Also, they added some cute little bears with the little paints. So that's super fun. But I think my favorite item in this craft section that they added were these. Aren't those really cool? I wasn't going to film today, to be completely honest. I was just kind of checking it out, scoping it out. But they added spring items, so a little bit, not a lot. So I was like, let me just give you guys a short video today so you can kind of see what my store started to put out. I love when they put out these pots because I grab what I want right away because you will not find them again. At least you won't find the same color. That has happened to me like a couple of years in a row, and I'm not going through that again this year. They have the tin pots that they have had the last couple of years. They change up the shapes on those, but this is a great value for $1. You're going to pay 3 times more than this just even at Walmart, and the quality is pretty good. They put out the watering pictures, the knee pads, so like when you're gardening, the hummingbird things. That red fades on me. Let me know if that's just a me problem or if you guys had that. This jute twine I absolutely get for so many different purposes. They brought the frogs back, which is cute. Let's see what else. Lots of things to start growing seeds inside the house, like the little starter kit here on the bottom shelf. And these boxes of seeds are amazing. I tell you guys in every video. I have not tried these little pots, but I know some people have had success and some people have not. But see, even like these supplies right here, I mean, that's such a good value, I think, if you're going to do that indoor gardening to get your stuff ready. They got these 3 little pot sets for $1. These little I call them shelf hangers. They're not. They're pot hangers, right? But those go really fast. People tend to really like them. I like the ladybug the best. Just kind of scan over this stuff, you guys. These trellises, for me personally, were really flimsy. I didn't find them to be very useful. They'd blow over if I had a little bit of wind. You'd have to like make them structurally sound. Maybe you like them. For me, they were a pass. Now, these I have never seen before. If they've had them before, let me know. And if you've used them, let me know. But the flower rockets, do these work? Are they amazing, or is it a hard pass? Because if they are, I want to grab them while they have them in stock, because I have a feeling these are going to go quickly because people are going to be curious, Me, I rely on my subscribers, my friends, to tell me. You guys save me so much money when you tell me ahead of time if the item is good or bad. So this is not organized yet in this particular section, but it is in between seasons, so I understand they're trying to like get it all organized, and all these new products are going to be coming out, which is exciting for filming. These stepping stones are really pretty and a little more detailed. I feel like in the previous years it wasn't as detailed. I don't recommend, if you live in like colder climates, to leave these out in the winter because they do crack and kind of fade a little bit. Now the gnomes are absolutely adorable. Look at these little guys. They're super cute, right? They got a lot of the fairy garden stuff gone already. That didn't even make sense. They sold a lot of it. They have all these cool things that you're not going to see over and over again. So grab these items when you see them. I gotta say, I'm excited for this so much because these are so expensive anywhere else. Grab these immediately. You can stack them and build like your own. This is the coolest thing, and I can't believe the Dollar Tree has them. I've seen them for much more than $1. I mean, you do have to buy individual and then stack them, but still, that's $3, $4, $5 as opposed to like 20. And I want to get some of these because I want to do a garden this year again, so that's super helpful, and those go fast as well. They have the little terracotta pots out. That's a nice little value. I can't remember how much Walmart sells them for though, so if Walmart's cheaper, let me know. On the other side over here, we have all of the gardening gloves. I find the quality of these to be not great, but some people do swear by them. For me, I don't think they're that amazing. Then over here, guys, I want to show you, when I walked in, they started to put out some of the St. Patrick's Day stuff. Not a ton. Of course, it's only January, but it has started, and I do enjoy doing the different holidays. So hopefully they'll have more of this up, and I'll just do a full video on just St. Patrick's Day, so you can get an idea of what my store has. These gel things aren't really my thing, but these are really pretty. They kind of caught my eye. Let me just stand back and scan back a little bit. Can you tell I have somewhere to go today? I'm talking super fast. Bow ties, some foam, shamrocks, crown, and just some jewelry. So down here, they have the necklaces. That's about it for right now, though. A little sneak peek. And then they have the white with the little beads. They have them plain white cups and with the beads, as well as the plates and the bowls. So it just depends on your preference if you like the beading around the edge or not. But that stuff at Crate and Barrel would be like 15 times more expensive, right? So it's such a really good deal to be able to get it at Dollar Tree and get exactly how many you want instead of having to buy them in certain sets, you know? I want to check and see over here if they added candles, and it looks like they have added some candles. I love these. I don't like the candles inside. They're not really that great for me, but I love the glass jars so much. And there's a certain type of glass this is called that it mimics, and you guys have told me in the past, and I apologize, I can't remember, but I love those little jars so much. Let me just show you the inside here a little bit. I mean, the candles are alright. You guys gave me feedback on these candles in my last video. They only had one of these, and it was like randomly on a shelf, and you guys said that this is the one that was on the shelf, and you guys said to me that these burn amazing. So just a heads up for my viewers, if you want to try them, I definitely would, because a lot of positive feedback. Look at how pretty these are, these jars. Aren't they gorgeous? The colors, it's so like spring and Easter, and just like, I wanted to see if I could get a better angle for you guys, because when I was looking at the camera, it didn't feel like I was really showing this properly. I'm going to scan here, and then I'm going to show you some candles. See, aren't they beautiful? I think I'm mesmerized. Oh my, I can't talk. Mesmerized. They have Valentine's Day candles. Super cute. I doubt they have much of a throw, just from experience. These are really cute with the gold. I like that a lot. And let's see. Here you go. Gin and tonic fizz. Those are cute. Regular jar candles. They have these a lot. It's kind of a staple for candles here at Dollar Tree. These I've seen over the last couple of months. They're cute with the scalloped edges. Then up here on the top, these remind me of stained glass. Every time I look at these candles, they must have just restocked these because there's so many of them, but they remind me of stained glass, like in a Victorian house. I just think they're the coolest thing. Kind of show you the tops here. It's just so pretty. The glass is gorgeous. All right, let me show you guys a close-up of these. Maybe if I push it over here, hold on. See if I can get a better, there we go. Oh, much better when you can actually read what I'm trying to show you guys. Sorry. Here we go. And we have eucalyptus. Don't judge me because I'm rushing. I love you guys. I'm doing my very best I can. I have a meeting I have to be at. Golden citron. What's this one? Have you guys tried these? This is like a very chatty video because I want to get a lot of feedback. Ocean and sea salt. Or maybe you haven't seen them in the store yet. Let me know. You guys have been quiet down in the comments lately. Jasmine. I mean, I see the ones that comment and I love you and appreciate you, but like, where are you guys? Usually you're so much more talkative down there. Look at these. How pretty these colors are. They look like mermaid tails, right? I'm trying to be cinematographic. Is that what you call it? Cinematic. Is it working? No? Okay. I found some pillows. They're kind of randomly in the box. I'm sure waiting to go on the shelf. I'll come back, guys, and do a longer video very soon. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. They're putting a lot of stock out right now. I'm going to give it a couple days. We'll come back. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that thumbs up and talk to me, guys. You're quiet.